If you want to connect your Nothing Phone 3 with your Windows PC or laptop, then of course we can use Link to Windows app in order to do this wirelessly. However, to do that, first we need to download the Link to Windows app. So we're gonna go to the Play Store, and then let's search for Link to Windows. And then let's install it. Let's wait for the app to be installed. And once that happens, of course, we can open it. So we're gonna do that. And we will need to sign into our Microsoft account, but we can also scan the QR code that we can display on our PC. So on your PC, you want to open the PhoneLink app, which you can find on your Windows pre-installed. And once you open it, it should look more or less like this. So we need to choose our device. So of course, in our case, it is Android. And then you should generate the QR code that we need to scan. So on the phone, use sign in using the QR code and grant the permission. And then we can scan the QR code that we have on our Windows. After that, press continue. And then on your Windows, you should see a 6-letter or 6-character long code that we need to enter on our phone. So let me quickly write the code over here. And after that, we're gonna just press this button on the keyboard in order to proceed. And now we're gonna wait for the connection to happen. And you might also need to verify yourself by sending a code to your email. So I'm just gonna do that. After that, you might need to grant some permissions to Link to Windows so that you can see, for example, messages on your computer. Let's grant permission to everything. And then we can also let the app always run in background. So we can now press allow. In terms of improving Link to Windows, we can just deny that. It is not necessary. And then we can press done on our phone. Whereas on our computer, you will see something like this, that we are all set. So we can now press continue. Over here, we have this welcome message. You can open PhoneLink when you sign into Windows, or you can just press get started. Here on the left side, we also have an option that allows you to finish setting up notifications. So you can go through that as well if you want to. And you should have access to all your photos, etc. All this stuff that we have listed over here. However, you might need to edit permissions, just like in my case. So in this case, we need to go to Link to Windows and then turn on Link to Windows photo permission. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.